This is a final video to fix NZXT Kraken AIO fans not detected in SignalRGB. Are you opening SignalRGB and seeing nothing show up for your NZXT Kraken fans, even though everything is plugged in and spinning? Does it feel confusing and annoying when your RGB works in one app but disappears in another? This problem usually happens because of software conflicts, hidden control limits, background services fighting each other, or simple detection blocks inside the system. Your cooler is fine most of the time, but the app cannot see it the right way. Many videos on YouTube make this worse by giving long explanations, advanced settings, or steps that are hard to follow. Some guides skip important details, and others talk too fast without showing clear order. That is why on NZXT, I will give you 4 proven methods that fix this issue, and I promise at least one of them will work, even if your case feels very serious. These methods solve deep conflicts, reset hidden controls, refresh detection paths, and remove blocks that stop SignalRGB from reading your Kraken fans. Pause this video right now and try each method one by one as I show them on the screen, or take screenshots so you can follow safely without missing anything. Do not skip around. Do not rush. Test each method fully before moving to the next. One of them will unlock the connection and make your NZXT Kraken fan show up correctly inside SignalRGB. Follow the method steps by steps showing on the screen.